Yo, Sabata on the beat. It's 5 letters. Usikhethele wasekhazikhazi buza nasekhasi kushakali 30 kaza lethu sukusa bhayisi musafuna ukuminya mina ngithela iflow ngazi ngishuthi ngisazophuza ungazi angani nina nithumani mina ngithi ngishayile ngizomzini ngoba ngizela namapasi iqiniso ngibona injini ngithapha ukuhluba ikhasi indlela emude ngayo emabhithini ngiyasichumela sebengize kangaroo mina ngiphethe labo sikhwama ngiyalela ikhikhi nelirik emakhona impilo njengoku badlaze ningi ngegama sekufuna ukugqiba physically noma usungaphika brown the best lyrically musafuna ukudisa mina mrepo usuzoqala phansi mina namabaza wekhe tshwana thula bomba mthili ngiqede ngale verse shaka ibhakuzulu nyaka mfana nzulu nalamabhesi adinga ibhesi buwa akale I'm a heavyweight I never lose put me on any beat I never had to choose you snooze you loser later than we foolish I eat you in the threshold like a nigga masturbating comparing myself to me nigga you contradicting I'm a perpetrator play this part of being a victim that's why I'm always real when I'm spitting this bars mama said I got this okay alright I got this I'm back to this bygones I'm fearless I'm careless if your engine fails nigga leave you breathless you fuck with the wrong nigga you left me choiceless I run out to your house then I fucking leave you headless you see I'm like the stairs when you try to step on me that's why you fucking fell off balula baskeri njengoba uselebe follow 4 fingers isala wichalo skip amehlo sala sport for mouth ungele bekana ngipe inhliziyo yemanager ngiyisababuza ndiyaba mane ngiceza mangcwabi thathe ngithathawuza mazama umhlaba ngishise shaka isitha skithenza ama faces ngithula bese kuphinga ngebazo I turn into pieces ngijoni ngikuze whatever kwenze isihlumo songweni ngobabele sele ngobafaka emlilweni ugqoka ingubo zamandiyo ufihlwe ebusweni mina ngaqabela songweni mina ngibuzange engangeni yo check it makithi yo check it let's stick it some kissy I won't bushuthi yo even amakhada ngifithe ngadina ngobela mahala mangekhethe thoughts ngifike ngiphethe impatho ngisulitha